it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting video because I have my Kinder Beauty subscription box. This is the second month that I am trying Kinder Beauty. I got it last month, but I lost the footage somehow, so we're going to be trying again. If you have not heard of Kinder Beauty before, they are a clean beauty, hair care, skincare subscription box where each month they will send you products with at least an $85 value with no animal testing, no toxic ingredients, no animal ingredients, and none of the harsh chemicals that are all kinds of bad for you. They start at just $23 a month if you do a yearly subscription, and every single box donates to help animals in need, and I love a box that gives back. I do have a link down below to get your first box for 50% off, which you can't beat that deal. The products are amazing. I absolutely loved the first box that I got. I've been using the products that I received in that box every single day, and the best part about Kinder Beauty is that every single product is a full-size product. None of the sample size stuff. Everything is full size, full value, and very beautiful and clean. So I'm super excited to go ahead and dive in. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. As I'm opening this up, I did want to say, if you're new around here, my name is Ellie and I create all kinds of fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos for you, all on a budget. I am an avid subscription box user. It has driven everyone I've ever lived with absolutely crazy until they got all the free stuff. So I don't know who's complaining, but if that's your kind of thing, I would love to have you join the family here. Go ahead and subscribe down below and leave me a comment if you're new. I would love to know where you're from. Let's go ahead and dive into this box. So inside the box, you do get a card with the theme for the box. This is the Purify box, and then it does have all of the product descriptions on the back. There isn't pricing on here, but I will go ahead and put pricing next to the product so you can kind of see what we have going here. So let's go ahead and open the first item. I believe there were a couple different options of boxes that you could pick from. I want to say there were 2 or 3, and you do get to select which box is more interesting to you, and everyone will get the same thing. Like I said, this is the Purify box. So first thing I'm seeing in here is this Osea. This is the OSHA, probably not OSHA, OC. I live in OC, so I'm gonna go with OC. Essential Hydrating Oil. This is clean, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, and California made. So I'm guessing it is OC. This is an anti-aging moisture oil for normal, dry, anti-aging skin. It's a nourishing blend of 8 essential oils which visibly plumps skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines. Jojoba and macadamia oils deliver all-day moisture for a glowing complexion. Good. I love a hydrating oil. Let's see what this packaging looks like on the inside. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, this looks like something you get at a super high-end spa. I'm a very big fan of glass packaging, and I love that this oil has a pump. It just makes it so much easier to actually put onto your skin. Let's go ahead and see what this smells and feels like. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this absolutely smells like you're in a spa. Makes it super, super silky. Yeah, my skin feels real good already. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells just like a spa. I absolutely love it. Okay, beautiful. Well, first product is already a win for me, so that is great. The next thing in here is a sea salt hair mist from Franklin and Whitman. This is such a cute little bottle. I absolutely love that it's pink. It has lemongrass, bergamot, and clary sage in it. Let's go ahead and see what this smells like. That smells so good. Okay, yeah, big fan of that. It's definitely very heavy on the lemongrass, and I am a huge lemongrass fan, so I am super excited for this. Can't wait to see how this works on my hair. I also really love sea salt sprays for the fall. I know people usually use them in the summer, but I really like kind of having that like messy, sexy, curly hair in the fall, and I feel like sea salt spray is really the way to do it. So, a little tip there. Next in here is this Well People Plant Powder Foliant Renewing Charcoal Exfoliating Powder. How interesting. I'm not sure what this is for. We're gonna look it up. Oh, I was wrong. The prices are on here. Well, let me tell you what we got. So First, for that OC oil, we have a $68 value. That's amazing already. That hair mist from Franklin and Whitman is a $19.95 value. And then this Well People Travel Plant Powder Foliant is a $10 value. This says this gentle powder transforms into a comforting, creamy lather with just a few drops of water, then gets to work polishing and renewing your skin, featuring green tea, charcoal, and kaolin clay to buff away impurities. This hydrating exfoliator will reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. Okay, I haven't used something like this in a really long time, so I'm really excited to see what this is like. I'm not sure if this is just a travel size or if it's just designed for travel, but it is a nice tiny bottle, super, super cute. I'm a little worried this is gonna like spill everywhere. Oh no, okay, great. It's just very well packaged. Doesn't really have a scent, honestly, so that's kind of cool. So it looks like it's just a little exfoliator. I absolutely love everything that I've tried from Well People. I've only ever used a couple things, but they've been really fantastic so far, so I'm super excited to try this out as well. Then we have the Volition Apple Cider Resurfacing Peel Pads. This comes with one pad, and you use this to swipe across the face and neck after cleansing. It is normal to have a tingling sensation because of the apple cider vinegar. Use consecutively for best results. Okay, I'm not really sure exactly when you're supposed to use this. This is a $4 value and says this exfoliating peel pad features rockstar ingredient apple cider vinegar to hydrate, plump, and reduce excess oil, visibly enhance your skin's natural complexion. Okay, great. Well, that's really interesting. I think that will be a really nice thing to do if I've kind of had a long day and my skin just feels really icky and gross. I think after traveling, this would be fantastic. And then the last item I see in here, so it does look like you get 5 items, is the Moonlit Skincare PM Pimple Patch Pack. Really impressed with myself for saying that in the first try. And these are the hydrocolloid, I hope I'm saying that right, pimple patches. These are fantastic. I've never used this particular brand, but I'm obsessed with pimple patches. I feel like they work so well. Even for bug bites too, I use them on pretty much anything that I don't want to irritate or touch or bother. So definitely a big fan of these. Like I said, these are from Moonlit Skincare, which is a brand I haven't heard of, but the packaging is so cute. And these are a $29 value. You do get 3 sheets with 2 different sizes for a total of 108 patches. So this is gonna last me a very long time. So I am super excited about that. So overall, we got the pimple patches, the apple cider vinegar peel pad, the sea salt spray hair mist, the charcoal powder foliant, and the OC Essential Hydrating Oil. I have to say, for $23, this is a really good deal. I mean, just this alone is almost 3 times the value of the box. So I'm pretty excited about this itself, and I just love how it smells. I keep catching whiffs of it. Oh, it smells amazing. That's everything that I got in my box. I have to say I am super happy with everything that's in here. I just did some math and it looks like the total value of this box was $131, which is crazy for just 23 bucks. I feel like that value is unbeatable, especially when it comes to the fact that they're all full size and clean beauty products with donations being donated to animals in need. I cannot speak highly enough about this box. I'm so incredibly impressed. If you are already a subscriber, definitely let me know which box you got. Did you get the same one as me? Did you pick something else? What did you get? I'm so curious. If you aren't, definitely go ahead and use my link down below so you can get that 50% off your first box, which is a fantastic deal, especially when the value is over $100. That's amazing. I am so impressed. I can't wait to use all of these products and to hear all of your thoughts about it down below. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come hang out with me. I really appreciate you being here and would love if you would subscribe and stick around so you don't miss the next one. If you do decide to do so, I will see you then. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!